VAPS stands strong because of the people who guide it with experience and purpose. The board members bring together diverse perspectives, united by a shared belief in the values of VAPS.
So no doubt he has got a very good team.
That really a proud moment to cherish.
But team lead is very important. ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್.
Real digital India happened through apps.
ಒಂದು 25 ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ಬೆಳೆಸೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದರದೇ ಆದ ಶ್ರಮ ಇದೆ.
There are a lot of AI stuffs in the application. There is voice-based search available. You don't have to type in.
Through open discussions and thoughtful viewpoints, direction becomes clearer and vision becomes stronger. VAPS, shaped by its leaders, strengthened by shared wisdom, and driven toward the future.